Welcome to the future of home care. Meet the Mensch Automated Laundry System. It's more than a washing machine. It's a fully integrated, AI-powered laundry assistant designed to eliminate every step of the laundry process. Just drop your clothes into the intake chute. Mensch instantly scans each item using advanced sensors and smart tagging to identify fabric type, color, and level of dirt. It automatically sorts garments, selects the right detergent pod from its internal system, and begins the ideal wash cycle, all without you lifting a finger. Mensch fine-tunes water temperature, spin speed, and timing for each load to protect fabrics and ensure deep cleaning, whether it's activewear, delicates, or heavy linens. Once clean, clothes are transferred to a precision dryer with humidity and heat control. No shrinkage, no over-drying, just perfectly conditioned clothes every time. Now comes the intelligent finish. Robotic arms fold your t-shirts, press button-downs, and hang dresses or pants onto your smart closet rail. Everything ends up perfectly sorted and organized, ready to wear. All of this is controlled through the Mensch app. Schedule cycles, set outfit readiness alerts, track laundry usage, or even remotely prepare specific clothes for big events. With sleek design, quiet operation, and eco-conscious water and energy systems, Mensch is built for modern living. Mensch, the fully automated laundry system that gives you time, comfort, and peace of mind. In a world where screens have remained flat for decades, one invention dares to bring depth back to digital life. Introducing the Looking Glass 27-inch light field display, a portal into the next dimension. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into the future. No headsets, no glasses, no gimmicks. Just pure, unfiltered holographic reality, brought to life through cutting-edge light field technology. With over 100 different perspectives rendered simultaneously, it creates a living 3D scene, visible from multiple angles, all at once. Walk around it, lean in, step back. It's not a trick of the eye, it's the science of light, depth, and perspective working in perfect harmony. Beneath the surface lies a 4K panel, supercharged by a proprietary light field engine, delivering breathtaking depth with ultra-realistic detail. Designers, engineers, doctors, storytellers, this is your new canvas. Render complex models, visualize molecular structures, or craft characters that seem to breathe, all in real time, all in 3D space. Connected to the creative world through Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender, and more, the Looking Glass 27-inch turns imagination into something you can almost touch. No longer confined to 2D planes, the future of digital interaction is volumetric, immersive, and deeply human. This is more than display technology. This is a glimpse of what's next. The Looking Glass 27-inch light field display. The future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's in 3D. Introducing the East Oak E-Glow electric heater, a future-forward fusion of performance, design, and sustainability, engineered to redefine indoor and outdoor comfort. Imagine a heater that doesn't just warm your space, but elevates your entire environment. The E-Glow combines carbon fiber infrared heating technology with a sleek, weather-resistant aluminum alloy frame, giving you instant warmth in just 3 seconds, without the noise, fumes, or fan blades. Designed with versatility in mind, the E-Glow adapts to your lifestyle. Whether it's your patio, garage, office, or living room, its adjustable height and angle ensure heat is always directed exactly where you need it. And with IP65 waterproof certification, it's ready to handle rain, dust, or snow, making it a true all-season companion. But what truly sets it apart is the smart control system. Use the remote or the built-in touchscreen to cycle through 3 heat levels, customize timers, and activate eco mode, all with intuitive precision. A built-in LED display gives real-time temperature feedback, and tip-over and overheat protection ensure ultimate safety. Silent, efficient, and built to last, the East Oak E-Glow uses up to 30% less energy than traditional heaters, all while emitting 0 carbon monoxide. It's perfect for homes seeking clean energy solutions without compromising on warmth. Elegant, powerful, and eco-conscious, the East Oak E-Glow isn't just a heater. It's a glimpse into the future of smart comfort. The future of heating glows with possibility. In a world where technology meets the human spirit, one invention is turning science fiction into daily reality. Introducing the open Bionics Hero Arm Pro, the next generation of advanced bionic limbs. Built for power, precision, and personalization, the Hero Arm Pro is more than just a prosthetic, it's a superpower upgrade. Designed for adults and teens with below-elbow limb differences, it offers multi-grip functionality, proportional control, and ultra-responsive movement in a sleek, lightweight form. Using cutting-edge EMG sensors, the Hero Arm Pro detects subtle muscle movements in the user's residual limb and translates them into fluid, lifelike motion. Want to grip, pinch, or point? It's as simple as flexing a muscle. And with its adaptive motor system, the arm learns and adjusts to your unique movement patterns for greater control over time. But this isn't just smart, it's stylish. With customizable magnetic covers, users can switch looks on the fly. From bold colors to pop culture themes like Marvel or Star Wars, the Hero Pro embraces self-expression in a way no other prosthetic can. The Pro version introduces a hyper-responsive feedback system, giving users haptic cues that simulate touch pressure, enhancing interaction with objects, whether you're holding a coffee cup or typing on a keyboard. Lightweight and fully 3D printed, it's designed to be affordable and accessible. Because innovation should lift everyone. With a battery that lasts all day, USB-C charging, and OTA updates, this is truly a bionic arm built for the future. Empowering users, breaking boundaries. The Hero Arm Pro isn't just a piece of tech, it's a statement. This is the future of human enhancement. Welcome to the next evolution in underwater adventure. Introducing SUPA HUKA, the future of underwater exploration. Blending freedom, safety, and innovation, SUPA HUKA is a surface-supplied air system designed to let you dive deep, without the weight of traditional scuba gear. It's compact, portable, and engineered for both seasoned divers and curious explorers. At its core, SUPA HUKA uses a high-performance electric air compressor, floating above you on a streamlined raft, delivering clean, pressurized air through a tangle-resistant hose directly to your mouthpiece. The result? Unrestricted mobility below the surface, no tanks, no limits. With extended dive times up to 90 minutes and depths reaching up to 12 meters, 40 feet, SUPA HUKA unlocks coral reefs, shipwrecks, and shallow caves, all while keeping you light and agile. Whether you're snorkeling with sea turtles or working on underwater maintenance, this system gives you the freedom to move like never before. Safety comes first. With smart monitoring systems, real-time air pressure tracking, a low battery alert, and emergency flotation assist, you're always in control. The system is also equipped with a dual-user mode, allowing two divers to explore simultaneously, perfect for instructors, friends, or family. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery is fast-charging and eco-friendly, making SUPA HUKA as sustainable as it is powerful. Its modular design makes it easy to pack, carry, and deploy from boat, beach, or shore. Sleek, smart, and built for discovery, SUPA HUKA reimagines the underwater experience for a new generation of adventurers. This isn't just diving. It's freedom beneath the surface. It's SUPA HUKA, the future of underwater exploration. At bauma 2025, the world watched as Case Construction Equipment unveiled the bold future of compact power, introducing the Impact, a revolutionary compact wheel loader concept designed to reshape the job site. Impact isn't just a machine, it's a vision brought to life. Built with zero-emissions electric drive, autonomous operation capability, and modular attachments, it stands as a symbol of smart construction for a cleaner, faster, and more connected world. At its heart, the Impact is powered by a high-voltage lithium-ion battery pack, offering up to 8 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. Fast charging in under 90 minutes. It keeps projects moving without the noise, fumes, or downtime of diesel alternatives. But power is only half the story. The Impact features smart load-sensing hydraulics, adaptive terrain response, and 360-degree obstacle detection, making it one of the safest and most efficient machines in its class. With swappable control modes, it can switch from manual to remote-controlled or even autonomous operation for truly next-level productivity. Its compact frame houses a fully digital cockpit, complete with a panoramic touchscreen, AI-assisted diagnostics, and cloud-based fleet management. Real-time data helps operators and managers make smarter decisions faster. Case also introduces smart fit modular tools, from buckets and forks to sweepers and snow blades, all integrated with automatic recognition and performance optimization. One machine, many missions. Designed for urban projects, tight work sites, and sustainability-conscious operations, Impact is more than an engineering marvel. It's Case's commitment to building a better future. Cleaner, smarter, stronger. This is Impact, the compact wheel loader redefined. Unveiled today, built for tomorrow.